Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I want to show you how to return the window size of your browser using Selenium and Python. Let's get right to it. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. We're not using time. We're also not using by, so don't worry about those two. What we do need is to import the WebDriver, and we need to import service. What this will do is it'll allow us to set the location of our WebDriver. It'll allow us to instantiate the driver and then get the web page in question. Okay, so let's run this and I'll show you how far this is. So it just opens up Google Chrome. Easy enough, nothing special there. And what we want to do in order to get the size of the window is we will do window.size equals driver.get underscore window size. And that's going to store the size of the window in window size. So to print window size. Width 1200, height 1129. Let's maximize the window and see how that changes. We will do driver.maximize window. And we put that before we get the size. And we'll just do a driver.quit at the end, actually, driver.quit. Just to keep everything clean. And now the new maximized window is 1048 by 1173. Maybe we can try that without quitting the driver. We'll watch the window maximize. Yep, there it is, it maximized. I'm quitting it here, and it returned 1048 by 1173. So that's it, everybody. That's how you get the window size using Python, Selenium, and Chrome. Thank you for watching. If you got anything out of this, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and talk to you next time. Bye-bye.